Hey, Tiny Dream Team, how are you? We're doing great. We are at Phoenix Building Solutions in Greenville, Alabama. We're here showing you many of the models that they manufacture. They are a manufacturer, not a dealer. They have 3 dealers throughout central and southern Alabama. And right now, they sell directly to the public if you're in an area that's not serviced by a dealer. So we wanted to show you some of what they have. They're an up and coming tiny home builder / RV park model builder, working on getting their HUD certification for some manufactured homes. And they are growing, evolving, getting better as they grow, and listening to customer feedback. They have several models. They have a good website that you can check out. I'll put a link to that in the video description. You can go on and see all the options for flooring, counters, type of porch if you want a porch, roof colors. I think they have 17 different metal roof colors you can choose from. And there's just a lot of options, a lot of choices. We're enthused to be here. They've been really welcoming to us. You can book a factory tour. You can go see what they're doing, how they make these things, how they put them together. And we have a tour of the factory. I just walked around and explained the process. So we'll put a link to that. I might put the video up here on one of those little black bars that you see sometimes. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this content. If you like these type of tours, share it with your friends, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you always know when we upload something. What we're in now, you can go back, and at the end of the video, there'll be some videos that you can up next type things. But what we're in now is different than their standard models. I think they have 5 standard models with several options for floor plans. So you have really about 10 or 12 different layouts you can choose from. But what we're in now is a custom. This is a custom. It's called an ADU. Now, we don't talk about ADUs a lot because we are East Coast people. ADUs is really a term that's used a lot in the West Coast. ADU stands for accessory dwelling unit, and technically most tiny homes are ADUs. But what this is a home where a husband and wife, the wife has a sister, she has a big house that she needs to sell because she's getting older and she can't take care of it, she's by herself, and she always goes to visit her sister who's over an hour away. So what they decided to do is to build this unit, put it in her sister's backyard. She'll live right next door to her, and they'll live out the rest of the years together, and she'll be in a separate home from the husband and wife, which is her sister and brother-in-law, but she'll still be on site, and they can look out for each other and take care of each other. And they're fortunate that the husband and wife's property allows them to do that. So this unit is not a typical model, but it is an example excuse me, of what Phoenix Building Solutions can do custom and to keep it economical. So we'll get to some of the features right now. Now you'll notice as we tour, because this is an accessory, it does not have a kitchen unit in it, okay? You don't see any kitchen counters, no kitchen cabinets. It has a living space here, and this living space is, well, let me get this to cooperate with me. It's 9.5 inch, so really 9 foot by 12 foot. So the exterior dimension on this home is 13 by whatever, we'll check it in a second. But you've got a 9 by 12 living space. Tammy is standing in a hallway type. This thing has 2 doors. This hallway is 6'10" wide. And the hallway is 8'5" deep. So this is sort of, it's not really what you would consider really much usable space, because you've got all your doors are opening and closing in this area. It's more of your foyer, because your front door is here. This is your French style door with the built-in blinds. This would be your front door, and that would be your side exit. That side exit door is more of a mobile home style door. You'll notice that this has the vinyl and gypsum panels that mobile homes do. And that's just to keep it economical for them, as opposed to putting in all the tone and groove and everything like that. They did go with the orange peel type knockdown ceiling drywall. And you'll see we have plenty of recessed lights. We have 4 right here in this main room. Now, if you were going to use an ADU like this and you didn't go through all the expense of adding a kitchen, you could put you a little cabinet or something somewhere, put a microwave and a water dispenser or whatever you wanted, a mini fridge. Just keep your drinks and stuff in it. Really, all you need is a microwave nowadays and maybe a cooktop if you like warming stuff up on the stove. But you can put a few tables in here and do that. I mean, you folks do it all the time when you watch ITH. You get it in Incredibox. You're paying $25,000 for an 8x16 with a little kitchenette and a sink. And this is giving you the same, except you just don't have
more space here.
Yeah, you get more space. The only thing different you don't have here is nothing, okay? And you've got much more space. Because the Incredibox does not come with a cooktop. It doesn't come with a stove. It doesn't come with a mini fridge. It comes with a water heater and a bathroom. Let's talk about bathroom. You could get this same unit and save money because this bathroom has special features. Now let me tell you a couple things real quickly. This bathroom door and this bedroom door, these are handicap accessory. Now the lady that's in here is not going to be in a wheelchair right now. She's not, but eventually she may. So they've thought ahead and said, okay, let's make these doors 36 inches wide so a wheelchair can fit easily in and out.
As a matter of fact, that's going to be the same size as the door we're putting in for our new washer and dryer.
Yeah, this is basically exactly the same door that is going in our washer and dryer room. But as we walk in, it's standard doorknob, standard door. Look, this is a good sized bathroom. It's got chair height toilet.
Chair height.
Okay,
wow.
Because of thinking ahead for handicap accessibility.
And for people like us that don't like squatty potties.
Yeah, we don't like squatty potty at all. This thing must be dying with the battery. This is 8 foot from this wall to the side wall, and the depth here is 5 foot. So you've got an 8 by 5 foot bathroom. You've got a sink, just like the Incredibox.
I've always wanted to use one of these tubs too.
With a vanity.
Have you ever wanted to fill it up and use it? That would be interesting.
Now this is special for these folks that are buying this. This is that step-in tub. You could buy this and you wouldn't have to buy the step-in tub, and you would save probably $3,000 to $4,000 without this option.
A jacuzzi shower in one. They probably could.
Sure they could. If you pay for it, they'll put it in.
That would be a neat option.
This bathroom has 3 recessed lights and this nice tub, walk-in tub. They're still putting some finishing touches, so if you see something that's not exactly perfect, that's because they're in the final stages, almost ready to deliver this home. Now, off here on this right-handed door, you have a nice closet area.
Which could be a washer and dryer room, but they opted out of the washer and dryer right there.
Right. This closet area is 4 foot deep by 2 foot 7.5 inches wide. Nice little tote closet, little storage closet, little room for clothing.
It's a walk-in.
It's a walk-in. It's got a shelf in there. And very nice little closet as you walk in, the front door off to the right side as you walk in. Now, as we go back into the bedroom, you'll see again the 36-inch door. Got a big bedroom. Big bedroom. This bedroom is 9 foot by 12 foot.
It's really nice.
Okay, so it's 86 square feet bedroom. This bedroom alone is almost as big as the Incredibox, with a metal roof, LP smart siding on the outside. Mini split is in here. She chose for the mini split to be in here because she's going to spend a lot of her time in this bedroom. Very nice bedroom, lots of windows. You've got 2 large size here and then 2 transom or side light windows here for the bed. And you also get an additional closet right here.
That's a fairly deep one as well, right?
This is 2 foot 6 inches deep, and the closet should be, right at 8 foot, just a hair over 8 foot wide. So it's a large, large closet, plenty of space. You don't get a closet in the Incredibox. I'm just contrasting, comparing this to the Incredibox, because to me, this model with Phoenix is basically similar to the Incredibox with no kitchen, if space really matters to you. Now, if you're one of those folks that
A tiny house is 200 square feet or less.
well, turn the video off. We're showing you tiny options. Don't watch us. We're showing you RV park models. We're showing you ADUs.
And there is an option here, if you wanted to have the wood siding installed, the wood lap siding, then it's an option as well. They just, the person that's buying this one, the customer chose not to.
Okay, so let me tell you, this is a 13 by 30 home. How many square feet is that? Can you guys do math? I know you can. That's 390 square feet in this home. 390 square feet.
But very spacious. You just have to figure out, like, if you wanted a mini kitchen, where you put that.
Right. Now, if you added a mini kitchen to this price, the price is going to go up.
Of course.
But this is a 13 by 30. Okay? 13 by 30, 390 square feet, as opposed to 8 by 16, which is whatever that is, 160 couple square feet. So you're getting more than double the space. You're getting all these extra features. You're getting a fully enclosed bathroom with a door for privacy. You're getting more windows. You're not in a metal box where you can't use your cell phone or your Wi-Fi internet over the wet airwaves, radio waves, and you get a huge living room. Like I said, this living room is 12 foot wide by 9 foot. So you guys make your choices. But Phoenix Building Solutions here in Greenville, Alabama, we're going to be doing a sit-down interview with Mr. Ryan. And we're going to talk about all the little questions that you usually have. That's why all these videos we're doing at Phoenix is a little shorter, because we're not going through saying it's got this type of insulation, this type of flooring, this type of this type of that. We're going to do just one interview video, and may link it right up here somewhere. So you can watch that interview that'll answer all those questions for you. And we're going to do that a little later. We've got several other homes here we toured that you can watch those videos. And please, if you like this type of content, hit that like button. If you really like it, subscribe to our channel. We love all of our subscribers. We appreciate every one of you. And ring the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we put up new content. And don't forget, share it with your friends. So if your friends like tiny houses, if you're trying to convince your sister, your brother, your cousin that they need to move to a tiny house and you need to move them into your backyard, share content like this with them. We talked to the folks that are buying this, and they're here to tour their home today, doing sort of their final walkthrough, and they have been impressed with Phoenix Building Solutions. They said Phoenix has met their deadlines, actually beat their deadline, had the home ready before they're ready for it. So they've been upfront, they've been honest. I guarantee you, you can come down here, you can book a factory tour, you can walk through the tour, watch these guys build anything. If you buy a home from them, you can come see your home be built. Just be wary that if you buy a home, don't come down and start making changes when they're halfway through finishing your house. Know what you're buying, know who you're buying from. But you can do a factory tour. You can come see what they're doing. You can walk around. You can smell. You can touch. And if you're not here local where you can come see the house, you can always contact them and say, hey, how's my house coming? And they'll tell you. And they'll come out here to the factory floor, which is 100 feet away from the office. They'll take some pictures and text them to you, let you see the progress on your house. So they're open up front, been very congenial and open with us and helped us and showed us around and just gave us the lay of the land and then just let us roam free through these houses. We're very, very appreciative of that. We're trying to get the word out about this company and their help. They're going to try to use our vehicle to do that, but They also have a YouTube channel, and that link will be in the description as well. So you guys, we thank you for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll see you at the next house tour. Thank you.